What's going on, everybody? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. In tonight's video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin, and I have a massive price prediction for Bitcoin before the end of this year. I'm going to get right to that, but before I do, I want to say one thing about last night's video. Scared of margin trading, 3 tips to successfully trade 10x leverage without fearing liquidation. Today, $900 million got liquidated out of the market. I did not. My stop losses got hit. I lost about 20%, but I'm not liquidated. I will live to trade another day. And that is the point of this video. Stop being afraid of liquidation. Tips to trade successfully on 10x margin. With that being said, guys, please know I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. You trade at your own risk. I do technical analysis to show everybody the way that I do my technical analysis. You can use it however you see fit. That being said, I'm going to jump right into Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is doing something extremely uncanny. It is mind-blowing to me, and I need to break this down, and it's going to be a little bit, so please bear with me. See, we had this long consolidation, this boring consolidation, this horrible price action just sucked. And in July, we start to get a nice pump, and we had a leg up, and we topped off here at 52K, and this was a roughly 80% gain, and then we had a 50% retrace. And now we came up again. Guys, this is the past 7 days or past 8 days in this circle. And I wanted to show this because this is October 19th to the 27th so far. Now what I'm going to do, we're going to go in a time machine. We're going to go in a time machine, and we're going to go back 4 years to this exact date. Go back 4 years, cue it up. Bitcoin, 4 years ago, this exact date range, October 20th to October 29th. And this had a drop of, where's that bottom at? 13.84%. Current drop here is 13.29%. Let's call it there, 13.3. So extremely close to the same exact drop. Now you see we had sideways price action April or throughout June. July we had a leg up, and our last one currently was 80%. This one was a bit bigger, 160, and a bigger time, bigger legs up. Obviously the legs up were bigger because the price were smaller and there was more room for growth at that period of time. Now, this was our second leg up. This isn't the dip. This is just a little sideways sideways consolidation, 13%. This went up until November 7th. It went on a long hot streak for, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days. Dipped a little bit and then topped out here. 50% retrace right around the line that we're sitting at right now on this day, on the 25th. If we go back to Bitcoin currently, the 26th, I'm sorry, 1 day off. There was a leap year. Days are off. There was a leap year in between, so yeah, we're 1 day ahead now. Sorry, that was a horrible joke, but anyway, if this Fibonacci plays out the same way, we will see 77K, and we'll see it by November, before the end of the first week of November, before we dip back down to this level here, where we're at right now, and then we go back 2017. After that November dip, it's blast off to the end of the year. Look, this does not stop. This price action does not stop until it is 1 month of almost every day being green until December 17th. So from November 13th to December 17th, a month and 4 days, it is nonstop action beyond the 2.618 Fibonacci retrace, or Fibonacci extension, beyond the 2.618. So with that being said, if we extrapolate this the same way and our current situation beyond the 2.618, that puts 200K in range. That's how we are in range of a 200K Bitcoin right there. That's how. Right now, this is a nice cool off. This is a nice RSI cool off, a nice indicator cool off. Nothing more than that. This is not the dip. We should see 77K before anything else, before we dip back down to this range. This range here is going to be a critical range where we're sitting right now, 58K. Between 58 to 60K, that range is going to be very critical, but not in the way you think. Not like we need to hold it now or we're dead. Like, that's not the case. The bulls are very much still in command. And there's one more thing I want to show you. I want to show you one set of indicators, because I just want to show you that typically this is what happens. 7 and 25-day moving averages. This 25-day moving average has acted as support. We should bounce off of this 25-day and start to run back up. Look, we came up, and then we gapped way away from the 25-day. It's going to make this 25 a support, and it's going to run back up again. It's going to gap the 25-day again. It's going to hit 77K, and then back down to 50%. Guys, this video, it's not very long, but it's critical. It's hyper critical to know this, because you do not want to get caught selling your Bitcoin for right here 58K thinking this is the end of the bull run, and we're just getting started. We are literally just getting started. You do what you do, you make the decisions you make, but I want to give you this information just so that you know the potential is huge. I am all in right now, all in on Bitcoin for this potential, because it is way too uncanny, way too like carbon copied to be a mere coincidence. I don't believe it's a coincidence. I believe we hit 200K. And with that being said, guys, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got something from it. And do this yourself. Please go and make these Fibonacci levels yourself, and go and let me know if you see something that I'm not seeing and I'm off, or something's not right. Feel free to throw it in the comments. Let me know, and I will double check an hour you make this video and make it and confirm either I'm right or I'm wrong, whatever the case might be. But I love the feedback, guys. So with that being said, until next time, peace.